Welcome. In front of me I have the JBL PartyLight Beam, and I'll just be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the product itself. Okay, so there isn't much on the box. Make your party vibe. So let's just get into it. I do have a bunch of tape all over. Nope. Fuck that up. There we go. So let's get into it. There we go. So we have two different plugs. We have the, I think this is like the UK plug, and here we have the European one. So specifically, the one that I can use in Poland. And then load up. We have our party light. At least updated the software to whatever. Come on. There we go. That's off. Okay, let's see. I'll plug it in just so I can probably blind myself. Let's see. Please tell me I can use this without an app. There are some buttons right here, so... Ooh. Oh, it is working. Ooh. Okay. And that is, something. What is this? Interesting. Okay, let me just turn down the exposure just so we can see this maybe a little bit better. So this is just a very close kind of example. We just have like some balls and altering colors, and that's about it. So similar what you can see right here. If the camera can actually catch focus. So whatever is right here where my hand is, this is rotating, but the lights behind it are not. It's kind of like a frosted glass over that is just spinning, so it's giving a weird kind of look. And here we have these circular holes, which provide us with these kind of like bubble look. So all these kind of moving around when they're circling. And the thing is operating almost silently, I would say. You can hear just a titsy bit of spinning on it. But this is like when you're really trying to listen to it, and I am in a room where there isn't much noise altogether, so placing it anywhere in your room, even in like almost pitch silence, you want to be able to really hear it all that much, unless the fan kicks in, because I think it does have a fan built in. But yeah, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.